Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom quest notice decoration in Roblox Studio, complete with a glowing neon effect using Roblox's built-in materials and bloom lighting. Let's get started. First, we'll model a simple quest notice board. Start with a few basic cube shapes to form the wooden board and frame. Keep it low poly so it runs smoothly in Roblox. Next, unwrap your model and assign basic placeholder materials: wood for the frame, parchment for the center. You can give it a little color variation by adjusting base colors before moving to texture painting. Now let's bring the model into Substance Painter. Paint the wooden frame with a natural, slightly worn wood texture. Fill single color for glowing parts. Once you're done, export the textures. Now, let's import the quest notice into Roblox Studio using the Asset Manager. Apply your textures and scale the board to fit your island or quest area. Place it near your quest giver or any key location players will visit. Now let's make it glow. First, select the part that's supposed to glow. Now, check if it has any texture or decal applied under the appearance section. If you see any texture content, remove it, because textures can override the neon's glowing effect. Open the color picker and make sure the brightness is set to the maximum. Darker colors won't glow as much, so bright colors, like white, bright yellow, or cyan, work best with neon. Now, go ahead and change the material of your part to neon. You should already see it looking a bit better, but let's enhance it even more. Open Roblox Studio settings, then go to the Rendering tab. Find Editor Quality Level and set it to the maximum instead of automatic. This makes Roblox Studio render lighting and post effects more accurately, so your neon will look more vibrant. Finally, in the Explorer, select Lighting. If you don't already have a BloomEffect, insert one by clicking the plus icon. Then, tweak the intensity, threshold, and size values until your glow looks perfect. This effect adds that realistic light bloom around neon materials. And that's it. You now have a custom quest notice decoration with a glowing neon effect in Roblox Studio. This small detail helps guide players toward quests and adds a magical touch to your game's environment. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox Studio building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.